George and I are going to show you how to make a strong and supported sound on the clarinet. In order to make a strong and supported sound, it's important to stand or sit correctly. When standing, you should feel relaxed, but you shouldn't feel that relaxed. So you need to stand with your feet shoulder width apart and with a straight back, but not so straight you're like a ballet dancer. So you don't want a curved back, you want a nice straight back. Okay, and your knees should also be relaxed. When you breathe in and out, your shoulders should also not go up and down. They should just stay down and stay relaxed. So you need to breathe in deeply through your mouth, fill up your lungs with air, and this will push your stomach out. When you push your air out through your mouth, you need to support by the stomach by feeling your stomach muscles pushing the air out. So could you breathe in for me, George? So you can see there, tummy went out, and breathe out for me. And you can see that the tummy is pushing the air out. So we're now going to demonstrate the breathing exercise in step 9 of Say You Want to Play the Clarinet. But before showing you how to transfer this technique onto the clarinet. So we're going to breathe in for 2 counts, we're going to hold for 2 counts and breathe out for 2, after which we'll increase the number of counts that we're doing that for. So if you put your hand on your stomach, and you can then feel your stomach moving in and out. Okay, so we're going to breathe in for 2, so after 2, 1, 2, breathe in for 2, hold for 2, out for 2, and stop. Now we're going to increase it to 4. So 3, 4, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold, and breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. It's really important to blow your air out evenly and in a controlled way, so when you play the clarinet you get a nice even sound. We're now going to do that breathing for 6 and 8 counts. Alright, so 5, 6, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brilliant. We're going to try it for 8 counts now. Don't worry if you can't do this straight away, this is something to work up to. And 7, 8, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hold. And breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we can control our breathing. We're going to do it but with the clarinet. And instead of blowing out, we're going to play an E on the clarinet. Don't worry again if you can't do the 6 or 8 counts, because that might be quite difficult to start with. So just do the shorter counts of 2 and 4. So can we try it on our clarinet? Right, so we're going to start with 2. And breathe in, 2, hold, 2, and E, 2. Brilliant. And now we're going to have a go at 4. And breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, and out. And we've got a really nice controlled even sound there. Now for 6 and 8. 5, 6, breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and play. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once more for 8. So 7, 8, breathe in, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and out. Perfect. Once you have done this exercise for a few times, you can use this technique when you're playing a simple piece of music. You might, however, have a shorter amount of time to take that breath in. So you've got to bear that in mind when you are playing your